We got a Goodman package unit, M series. That is a heat pump. Just so you can get access to the sheets. So not. I'll zoom into that. So 2021 Dewey ton, which is almost the same like mine, but except this is the M series Goodman package unit. We got 2 more units down here. We got a disconnected Goodman. Well, who knows? I ain't getting it over the scrap yet. 2002, 2.5. Then we got a Heil. Has been running. (2021) 2.5 ton. So this is about brand new almost. Well, there y'all have it. Here's something running. I doubt that. I don't go to that, but there you go.